The overall goal of this procedure is to quantify structural measurements of trabecular bones automatically with accuracy and efficiency.
This method can help answer key questions in the image analysis field, such as how to measure irregular structures accurately with efficiency. The main advantage of this technique is that structural measurements of two-dimensional or three-dimensional objects by such a technique are more accurate and efficient than the current available quantification approaches.
To begin this procedure, first, install the Bones-Imagej software and trabecular analysis plugins, as outlined in the text protocol. Open the Bones-Imagej software. Under Plugins, Bones-Imagej, Simulate Objects, click the circle button. In the resulting pop-up window, enter 200 as the diameter, and then click OK to generate a simulated circle with the diameter of 200 pixels. Save the generated circle in TIFF format. Next, in Plugins, Bones-Imagej, Simulate Objects, click the square button. In the pop-up, enter 200 and the side length, and click OK to generate a simulated square with a side length of 200 pixels. Save it in TIFF format. Then, in the same menu, click the sphere button